Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 has suddenly stopped functioning correctly, whether it's freezing, failing to update, showing a blank screen, or becoming unresponsive, you're not alone. Various issues such as temporary software glitches, internet connectivity problems, power interruptions, or account synchronization errors can prevent the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 from operating normally. Fortunately, many common problems can be resolved without complicated repairs or replacing the device. Before trying advanced troubleshooting methods, it's worth going through a few simple checks first. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help get your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 working properly again. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is receiving power and that all cable connections are secure. Step 2. Make sure the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for proper syncing and updates. Step 3. Restart the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 to clear temporary software issues affecting performance. Step 4. Check whether there are any software updates available for the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and install them if needed. Step 5. Disconnect the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 from power for a few minutes before reconnecting it. Step 6. Confirm that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is functioning normally.